Unless I'm obstructing the roadway, shut the fuck up. Hey, dumbass, fuck you. We're gonna be on you guys like fucking flies on shit tonight. See you later. Busted grape, dude. I'm standing right here. I just admitted to recording that shit. It's not a fucking felony. Welcome back to another episode.
I think it's obvious, that every time we leave the house, the pigs are stopping us. I think it's obvious, they want us in them locks and cuffs. Watching them cause they be watching us. There's less of them and there's lots of us. They violating all kinds of rights. I see pigs on horses and riding bikes. That's the sound when the siren lights. That's the sound of the violent nights. It's like they're just waiting on a time to strike. There might be a foot chase, tie your nikes. You get shot in the face if you try to fight somewhere. Someone will probably die tonight. Probably die tonight. Die tonight, I can feel that tension. They want your ID, it's like a drug to them. I swear they got obsession. It's crazy, we the ones that paid them. We the ones they keep arresting. I think it's obvious that we don't answer questions. Direct D, tell them we don't answer those. We're done getting treated like animals. All the times that they got me, cuffed me, beat me, locked me. Can't count on my hands and toes. They sweep our streets, they ain't got brooms. You ain't gotta do shit to get locked soon. They want both hands up like the clock's noon. Fuck your piggy mobile and your costumes. I think it's obvious, that every time we leave the house, the pigs are stopping us. I think it's obvious, they want us in them locks and cuffs. Watching them cause they be watching us. There's less of them and there's lots of us.
So you would abuse your authority if I exercise my right? Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They wanna lock us and throw away the stopwatch. You know, Direct D will show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops, and ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop watch.